Hello, what's up, y'all? It's Type Money, and today it was just put on my heart for me to show y'all how to shuffle cards. I don't know what it is. I don't know what the gap is between the older generation and this generation, but for some reason, a lot of people in this generation don't know how to shuffle cards, let alone play. And it just was put on my heart today for me to show y'all how to do so, or at least try to get you in the right direction. So I ain't gonna hold you long, but I'ma just, here we go. Okay, the first thing you wanna do, put the cards in your dominant hand. Okay, first of all, disclaimer. These cards is good and broken in. They not new, they not fresh, they not none of that. So it may be a little harder for you to shuffle cards with older ones, but yeah. Practice makes perfect. Anyway, what you're gonna do is put the cards in your dominant hand. So if you're left-handed, put it in your left hand. You're right-handed, put it in your right hand. Okay? Notice how I'm holding them. I have my index finger bent behind the cards. Okay? And I have my pinky for some reason under the cards. I don't know why I do that. It's a habit, but yeah. And I have my middle, my ring, and my thumb like clasping the front of the card just a little bit. So that's how I hold them. It's a habit. Okay, once you get it in your hand like this, you're gonna let go of some of them. About halfway. Let go of some of them and split them in half. My hand is still like that. Well, my pinky is not clasping the cards. I really don't think that part matters. But yeah. So that's how we do that. We break it apart. We try to get it to as close to halfway as possible. Okay, so now you got cards in both hands. This hand, I'm holding it just regularly. Nothing is bent like the other hand. It's just regular. Make sure that you get them, as straight as possible. The next thing, put the index finger behind the card as you did with this hand. And you simultaneously let go of the cards the same way you did with this hand when you were spreading them out and trying to get them halfway through. Now you're just gonna do the same thing simultaneously with both hands. Okay? Let's do that again. So, while holding it, you want to apply a little pressure to the front, kind of bending the cards back. So you have more control over, how the cards are released. So you just slide your finger up and let the cards go until they are gone. Okay, next. This is crucial because you can mess it up at this point. So now you're gonna put your finger on the part that connects both of the decks. Well, not this one deck. The part that connects both halves of the deck together. Because if you don't, it's just gonna do that, or it's gonna spout this way or spout that way, and you're gonna have a huge mess. Okay, so back to that. We just gonna put our finger right there. At this point, my hands are cusped under the cards. Okay, and you wanna bend them with this finger. Well, these two fingers still holding this part of the cards, and you release at the bottom. Boom. Okay, let's try it one more time. Okay, let go. Okay, what you're doing at the top when you get to this part, you holding it down. You putting pressure on it. Okay, you're not just laying your finger right there. It's about control. Because if you don't have enough pressure and you do that, that's gonna happen. Okay, and if you put too much pressure on it, they not gonna move. So you just gotta have the right amount of pressure, the medium pressure, medium pressure. Just hold it down enough so that the cards don't fall everywhere, but you ain't gotta put too much pressure on them or they're not gonna move. And it just takes practice. Just the more you do it, the more you get comfortable with it, and the quicker you'll be. And then you won't look like an amateur at your next spades game. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know if that helped y'all out any. Like, comment, and subscribe for any other how-tos that y'all want to see. And yeah, I'll see y'all next time.